Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Temu application on your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you're on iOS, then open up the iOS App Store, and if you're on Android, then go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now on the search box, simply type in Temu and you will find the Temu application. Once you find the app, simply tap on the install button and this will begin the download of the app. Now wait for the download and installation to complete, and once you see the open button, you can simply tap on it to open up the application. And now you can simply start using the app by signing in or creating a new account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and use the Temu application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.